Imagine a NOS button that doubles your vehicle's accelerating and stopping power while also extending the life of your engine and brakes. Seems impossible? Introducing Super Ray, a groundbreaking solution to vehicle performance and longevity, created by Superior Speed Company. This revolutionary electric performance upgrade seamlessly integrates into a vehicle's combustion drivetrain, creating a dual-powered beast. At the touch of a button, you'll be able to harness and unleash wasted energy, adding performance, efficiency, and safety to your vehicle. Take your race car to the next level. Bring your classic car back to life. Make your pickup or semi a long-distance workhorse. Gain a secondary braking system in the process. A win-win, so you can get more done and have more fun. Make each dollar go further with Super Ray today. Ready to learn more? Contact us now for manufacturing, retail, wholesale, distribution, or licensing opportunities.